On the 19th of August 2010, all traffic on the web will be redefined. On that date, Auto Traffic Avalanche will be released to an unsuspecting public. No more fighting for trickles of visitors to your sites. No more hunting down endless backlinks that just never seem to work. Auto Traffic Avalanche is built around a unique, never-before-seen two-prong approach to getting targeted traffic. Auto Traffic Avalanche is so automated that it only takes 13 clicks and 12 minutes a day to get it going. Bonuses! The following bonuses will be given away free to all buyers using the link below. First, we have Atomic Niche Profits, and second, we have Info Product Killer Quick Start. First bonus, Atomic Niche Profits. You have 67 pages on exactly how to do proper niche research. And here's a hint, the more specific you go, the more money you're going to make. Second bonus, Info Product Killer Quick Start. Or how to sell real products, like those you find on Amazon.com, like TVs, stereos, the big ticket items. When used in conjunction with Atomic Niche Profits, you have a full blueprint to start a profitable online business today. And these are just the bonuses. When you order Auto Traffic Avalanche from the link in the description, these bonuses are absolutely free. So, to get your massive free bonuses, click on the link in the description below and order from there. And thanks for watching.